All these little things that you think is no problem, being dry as a lady, not being juicy, not being sweet, don't keep quiet. All these things are solution. You might not have money to spend on Kayanmata, but to be honest, if you want to do real Kayanmata as a woman, you want to take full control, you want to send all this side chick away. Let me just tell you the typical truth, the pure truth. It is not cheap. It is thousands of naira. If you don't have such luxury of money, start doing some little things that can just spice your relationships, spice your marriage, and even for yourself. When you feel good yourself, it is something. All right, start taking care of yourself, because of yourself, even not because of your man, but because of yourself. Stay healthy. All right. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. My people, welcome back to another Bible video. To be honest, guys, I'm not supposed to be filming today. Seeing my face in this video, I know you know already that your baby girl is strong. I am treating malaria right now. I'm strong, but anything for you guys, I can do anything for you guys. So I just have to find a way to just film this video so that I can upload this video. Enough of the rant. All right, this channel is all about DIY. Doing things yourself. What you think you can't do, what you don't know, we bring it to you so that you can actually know what to do in different situation. So today's topic will be all about amu and otocha. If you don't know what amu and otocha is, my Igbo sisters in the house, kindly interpret it in the comment section. And if you think, if there's no Igbo sister or brother in the house, make sure you head to Google and ask Google what amu and otocha means. All right. For those of you who has been like telling me to make a video on how to treat a dry VJ, all right, a dry VJ, all right. And this is also like a sweetener. When your VJ is slippery as it should be, you should know that your partner will actually enjoy every bit of you. All right, see, I'm having an headache, but see, you too. You just have to keep your audience. If not, they will just waka. So I need to do something to keep you right where you are. All right, so guys, in today's video I have a new recipe for babe, for women wey sabi, that has a very dry VJ, women that does not feel anything. This thing can cause real wahala in marriage. All this thing na food though. If you don't know these things, it is food in marriage. Don't let anybody deceive you. Is it food? Is it for garri? Is it for eba? Na for garri o, na for beans o, na food o, in marriage o, in relationship o. All right, so if you are battling with dryness as a woman, I just found out a trusted and tested recipe that will actually help you, make you succulent, make you stay juicy, make you stay sweet, and keep you away from some minor infection. There's some herbs that will be mixed with fruits, and you are going to drink it 2 or 3 times daily and enjoy your life, enjoy your sex life, and enjoy your life galore. And trust me, you are going to thank me later. See all this dancing? I am dancing for you now. I am actually feeling it in my head. Watch this video so that you know what and what I put together for you to stay juicy, for you to stay sweet, for you to stay updated, and for you to level up, all right? And for you to be that kind of woman every man wants in their life. All right, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to like this video. Make sure you head over to my vlog channel. The link will be in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram page. All right, without further say or do, let's get right into the preparation. Guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to be working with in this video. We have water lemon sliced, we have dates, we have clove, and we have ginger. So I'm going to transfer this ingredient into a blender right now. So the next ingredient I'm going to add is water. So this is what the concoction is looking like in my cup, all right? So right now I'm going to take my own shot. It's so yummy. It's so sweet. All right. Try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it has helped you. I hope this video is helpful and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Try this recipe out 3 times a week and trust me guys, you are going to thank me later. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about men with small ammo, all right? Watch out for that, all right? Men with small ammo, men wey be say their ammo no dey work. In my next video, be sure that I'm going to talk about that and I'm going to bring about a recipe, a remedy that can actually make that your small small prick work very well, all right? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, make sure to share, don't be selfish about it. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.